How are you? I wanted to say a few words of thanks to everyone who watched AustralianStory last night, which was about me. And I wanted to thank Vanessa and everyone who was responsible for making the program. I found it difficult to watch because it was about me and I'm not terribly interested in me, but it was great to see my brother and my son Tim and my friends Mark and Jimmy and Brian and so on, who've said so many kind things about me, and all those lovely people who work for me and have worked with me in lots of films and so on. So it was, and I've been absolutely overwhelmed by how many kind responses people have had. People have been really lovely. There's a couple of things on the news that I was thinking about today. It's no surprise that depression, anxiety has been building in households during this very difficult time of lockdown. But there's also good news today that rates of infection are just absolutely plummeting, that this lockdown has been working. And also slowly we're going to be able to ease this. So as of Friday, I think 2 people can visit another home. This is really, really good news, because solitude can be absolutely brutal. And for me, the tonic has always been other people. So let's prevail. We will come through this. Please don't be anxious. Things will be fine. And thanks for watching, and thanks for all those kind things that you've all been saying.